In this demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the low noise and high resolution capabilities of the 6 Series B MSO. Now I've got a Radio Shack inverter here with about 500 volts on the output. You can see it's a bursty signal. It's kind of triggering all over the place on all the different rising edges, so I want to try and stabilize that. I'm going to use a visual trigger to do this. And I'm first going to just go ahead and do a single shot to try and, there, I caught it right on the front edge. So now I can draw a nice exclusion area for the visual trigger, which basically means I want it to trigger only when the signal does not go in that range. So now what I'll do is I'll turn on the run stop again, and you'll see that I'm triggering very stable on this rising edge now. So with this inverter, there's some stuff happening just before the front edge of the burst here. You can kind of see a little bit of a wiggle there, but I really need to zoom in on that to get a better picture of that. So I'm going to zoom in a couple times here just to see what's there. Oh, there you can start to see it. Zoom in a little bit more, maybe do a vertical zoom here just to make it a little bit taller and easier to see. Now that's 12-bit acquisition, so I've already got a pretty good look at this signal, but I don't have high res on yet. So let me turn high res on, and you'll see that based on my sample rate here, I can get 16 bits of resolution, and there the noise just goes away. I can see a great view of the signal, and I can measure it. Like I can figure out what the frequency of that ringing is just by putting a cursor on there, and you can read out the 1 over delta T, which is about 6 kilohertz on this signal.